This is the analysis of Nitish Kumar's government and the law and order improvement in Bihar. Part 1, Early Reform and Impact to 2005 to 2010. When Nitish Kumar took over as the Chief Minister of Bihar in 2005, the state was facing serious challenges in the law and order. Crime rates were high, law enforcement was weak, and the governance was inefficient. The state had gained a reputation for lawlessness, often referred to a jungle raj. Recognizing the urgent need to reform, his government initiated a series of measures to restore law and order, improve policy, and strengthen the justice department. Here is the strengthening the police force. One of the first steps taken was improvement of police force. The state was suffering from a lack of trained personnel, so that the government recruited thousands of new police officers. A special auxiliary police unit were created by hiring retired army personnel. This move significantly boosted the efficiency and discipline within the force. Further, police stations across the state were modernized and officers were provided with better equipment and training. This increased the ability of the police in respond to crime more effectively. The deployment of senior police officers to key districts ensured that the law enforcement efforts were closely monitored. Fast-track court for speedy justice. A major obstacle in maintaining law and order was the slow judicial process, which allowed criminals to escape punishment due to prolonged trial. To address this, fast-track court were established to ensure quick hearing conviction. Between 2005 and 2010, thousands of criminals were prosecuted, significantly improving the crime deterrence in the state. Here is the reduction in the crime rates. As a result of this efforts, Bihar witnessed a decline in violent crime, murder, kidnapping and extortion cases saw as a sharp reduction. The improved law and order situation also led to increased public confidence in a government, encouraging businesses and investment and economic activity. Here is the impact on development and governments. With the crime rates dropping, Bihar's overall governance and economic improved. The state witnessed significant infrastructural growth, including the construction of thousands of kilometers of road and bridges. This economic revival was directly linked to a better law enforcement as a safer environmental encouragement businesses and industries to operate without fear. Here is the challenges and the limitation. Despite the improvement, challenges remained. Some rural areas, particularly those affected by Naxalite insurgency, continue to face violence and security issues. Moreover, deep-rooted corruptions within certain sections of law enforcement and administration slow down progress in some area. Last but not the least, the period from 2005 to 2010 was turning point of Bihar's governance. The law and order reform undertaken by Nitish Kumar's government play a crucial role in restoring stability to the state. While challenges persisted, the positive changes created a strong foundation for further improvement in the coming years. Thank you for watching this video.